Hi, my name is Paula Lee, and I'm with NAL. We are an environmental testing and consulting company. We've been using Kickserv since 2016, and we'd be lost without it. It came at a time when I was looking for a way to set up appointments for our technician to go out in the field and collect samples. And Kickserv has the best platform to do all that. I can put the estimates together, get it approved from our clients, set the appointments. The tech can see it on their phone, which I really loved. They could enter notes, take pictures on site, and upload those to the job site information. I could finish our reports once we got the lab results, and I could keep a copy of the final report on that Kickserv tab, which made it something I could share with our client or go back to and refer at other times. It also seamlessly works with QuickBooks, which was a big plus for me. I didn't want to have to do the estimates on one thing and then do them by hand to get into QuickBooks so that I could do collections. So it works perfectly together. I'd be lost without QuickBooks. I love it. I know if I had nothing else to do in my life and I needed a sales job, I would totally go to work for Kickserv because I believe in the product that much.